In this video, you will have an honest opinion about the Instant Pot Omni Plus 18L air fryer. I will tell you everything you need to know about this air fryer. My name is Monica. Please mark your presence with your like and subscribe to the channel. I bought this when my Krups toaster oven died. This unit does a lot more than I am accustomed to. I read so many reviews on many different ovens before I selected this one. They all seem to have their hitches, so be aware of what you are buying. Let me start this review with I would suggest this oven to a friend. Keeping that in mind, the first thing to be aware of is that this only has a 29-inch cord that comes from the lower right side in the back. Asterisk, you are told in the manual not to use any surge protectors or extension cords. That information is very important for placement in the kitchen. Also, the oven gets very hot, so the directions caution you to have at least 5-inch clearance around the oven at all times. I put mine in the corner of the counter and pull it forward when I am using it. It seems to get the hottest in back. The manual says it should be unplugged when not in use. When you set the temperature and start the oven, it preheats. There is a very soft ding, then the trimmer immediately starts the cook process. If you get your food in late, you are able to adjust the cook time. The timer will pause when the oven is opened. When cooking is complete, the oven kicks down to warm. There is a blower with 2 speeds. High speed is for air frying. I haven't used it for that yet. I have only had it a month. There is a stove-like burner inside the oven to the back. I'm also not so sure how that works with this yet. My oven seems to seal well in front and the temperature seems to be consistent. I have read about how sometimes the food in front cooks at a cooler temp. I do try to rotate my food halfway through cooking. There is a silver-colored crumb tray on the bottom of the oven you can pull out for cleaning. I think it is important to note that there is not a basket accessory for the Instapot oven at this time. I am looking forward to playing with the rotisserie in the future. I am currently looking for a good cookbook for this specific oven. I hear you need to be careful with those selections because some cookbooks don't have many pictures. I find pictures important. I have tried to cover the many things I found very important to note before selecting this oven. So far, I don't find any of these to be deal breakers and have been able to work around all of this to enjoy what I believe to be a quality countertop oven. Let me remind you that there are links with lower prices for this product in the description of this video. I hope you find this review helpful. See you in the next video.